Hi, everybody.
Hello.
So after about a year of living here, our friend Sam told us that there was a mall. So we thought, hey, let's go check it out. So here we are at Villa Arena.
Villa Arena Woonmall.
Oh yes, Woonmall.
So after a year, we're gonna go shopping finally. The Woonmall, or residential mall, is located conveniently across from the Bijlmer Arena metro stop. It also has these really cool revolving doors that have decor inside the doors as they revolve. Fun. The mall is bright and airy, very modern, contemporary design, lots of glass. It's a really lovely place to be, and it feels very light and clean. It's also kind of empty. There's not a lot of people here, but what a beautiful sky view. So we've had a walk around, and this place is interesting. It's really pretty.
It is pretty.
It's very modern, and it kind of looks like the Spaceship on Passengers, this movie that I like.
It really does.
It's very open, and it has like 5 levels and all these escalators that go all over the place. You know, they don't just go up and down, they go like across the whole place. But it's in all glass and modern, and I like it.
Which kind of matches the furniture that they sell here. It's all modern.
Very contemporary. There's not a lot of options when it comes to style. It's just all contemporary, modern type furniture. And so, I mean, if you're in the mood for a bed or a sofa or a new kitchen, this is the place for you. But they don't have much else.
No.
I was really surprised. I didn't expect it necessarily to be like a clothing shopping mall. But it's limited, and there's like 14 different similar furniture stores and bed stores.
They all look the same, they really do.
And that's it. And yeah, just not
Except
a lot of
for the
choice.
one art store on the 4th floor. There's just one.
Just one, yeah. We saw a store that sells like built-in closets and built-in things, but other than that, that's it.
Yeah.
They did have a restaurant, so we had a little meal there. That was nice, and there were 2 other little snack places too. But we went for the one in the middle that was suspended on some stilts and looked really,
Because it was cute.
yeah, it looked really space agey. So we went there. Food was good.
Yeah, it was really good.
Since the restaurant is basically floating in the middle of the mall on stilts, we had to give it a chance for lunch. Let's go inside and see how it is. It's fun and bright and airy inside, and you have the best view in town. It's floating in the middle of the mall on the 2nd floor looking down. The menu is basically several different kinds of sandwiches and paninis, but a lot to choose from, and I think it's going to be really good. I got the salmon wrap, and they toasted it. It's really good. There's a herb cream cheese, delicious.
All right, I got a meatball, satay sauce, and fried onion root. So let's try it out. It definitely tastes more like peanut butter than it does like satay sauce. Which I'm aware of the peanut taste, but this tastes like just peanut butter. It's good. It's actually really good.
I think we did a pretty good job annihilating all of this food. Full stomachs, happy bellies. Yeah, we did a good job.
As you can see, of course, JR got dessert.
I gotta have a cookie. I gotta get my sugar fix.
Next on our list was going to this cute little atrium area. They had all these displays out. The color scheme was a little different. It was like a soft orange almost, I guess, and had a very boho chic vibe. We went straight from there and had a seat upstairs just because the view was really beautiful and getting to see the arena and just kind of a great place. There were other cafes here. 2 in fact, but we chose the one because of the location and just how cute it was. But this one looked amazing as well, and we probably will actually come back and try the food at this one.
So we're about to leave. We've walked around. We walked through all the floors and saw it all. Very cool space, a lot of light. Not very busy.
But big.
It is huge. I can't believe how huge. And it is like a home furniture and kitchen type place and bathrooms.
With a little bit of decor.
Yeah. Could definitely use more. And there were a lot of empty storefronts, you know. Especially the higher floors, a lot of empty stores up there.
Which I personally think is due to the high prices. Most of this furniture is extremely high priced. $6,000 sofas. Like your average person isn't paying that for a sofa. So I feel like if they brought some lower end or even mid-end furniture stores, you would get a lot more people in this store.
Well, IKEA is right around the corner.
That's true.
If you want something more on the budget end. But no, we really like the place. I think, it's the middle of the day on a Friday. People are at work, so maybe it gets busier on the weekends. Don't know. But we were some of the few people here. It's gotten a few more people in since we've been here, but we were the only people at the restaurant we ate at. So, I don't know, really interesting place. Definitely cool if you need some really nice furniture or you're looking to redo your kitchen or bath. This is the place for you. It's like a home expo type mall.
Yeah.
I don't know. So, would you come back?
If we needed furniture, I guess probably not.
Or a bed.
No, I mean I've become accustomed to IKEA and things within our price range, so I don't think this is really the place for us.
Yeah, but it's pretty. Maybe one day we'll come back and have lunch again. Oh well. Well, thanks for stopping by with us, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Totsies.
Totsies.